Have you ever wanted to find emails quickly on Outlook? Here's how to use the filter feature. On desktop, all you have to do is click this drop-down menu and you can see all the categories you can filter by. And for the app version, there's a filter button in a similar spot right above your inbox. Now, if you've ever wanted a more personalized email experience, the app Clean Email is here for you. It creates smart folders and has everything from top senders to food delivery receipts, social media notifications, so I can see all of my food delivery receipts and take actions in bulk. For example, I can select all and delete all the messages, mark them as read, mark them as unread, and I can do this for all of the categories. Now, let's say you want to filter emails before they even come into your inbox. That's where auto clean comes in. You can set up rules. For example, I have this rule set up and I can trash all the messages that are older than 1 week after they're already in my inbox and I don't have to do a thing. And if you don't want to be filtering and searching through your inbox that's really cluttered, this is the best tool. It's called the unsubscriber and it shows you all of your subscriptions in one place. And you can rank them from the person who sends you the most messages, the newest subscriptions, and again, you can take actions in bulk. So you can select all and unsubscribe from all of these subscriptions in one click. Or you can go through and individually click unsubscribe, keep, mute. So if you want to clean up your Outlook or Gmail, Yahoo inbox faster, download the Clean Email app. You can find it in my profile.